Hello and welcome to our short tutorial on how to upload an unlisted video to YouTube. This will be utilized for a lot of our assignments, and just as a reminder, even if you submit something through YouTube, you're going to have to submit it through Google Classroom by copying that link. So just wanted to let you know before we get started. But as you'll see, I went to youtube.com and I'm going to make sure that I'm signed in to my student RiseUp account. So that's what I'm doing right now. It should be yourname.student@riseupys.org. So if that's all right, you're going to click the button at the top and you're going to click Upload Video. That'll bring you to this screen. And from here you can choose whether you would like to select a file from your computer or drag and drop one from your desktop, which is what I ended up doing. So I will do that right about now. And you'll see that it's working. It's going to automate a title for you. If you don't like that title, you are welcome to change it. You're going to add a short description for your video, nothing fancy. This is going to Kara and myself and Sarah, so you're not really going to need to put too much thought into it. And if you would like to choose a thumbnail, you can do so if you're more patient than I am, but I didn't really worry about it too much. You're going to make sure it says that it's made for kids. That's really important. And then you're going to scroll up and click Next. And at this point, you can choose if there's any fancy elements for your video, but because we're not putting too much thought into this, right, it's just an assignment, you can click Next and ignore that. This is the important part, though. So right now, it is set to be public, and you're not going to want that. We don't want this video to be public. So you're going to make sure that you select Unlisted, and that means that only the people with the link can view it, which in effect are your teachers. So make sure you select Unlisted for your video. And then, once you select Unlisted, you're about done. So you can go ahead and click Next, and you'll be led to the upload screen. Welcome back. Your video is now all done. So you're going to click Close. After that, you can see that your video is all completed. And then it will show up. You're going to select this button to get a link to your video. Get shareable link, and it'll copy it to your clipboard, and that link is what you are going to put into your Google Classroom submission. So I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions about uploading a video to YouTube, and if not, I'll see you all in our assignment. Thanks.